Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day today. If you're new, welcome. My name is Nori. Thanks for hanging out with me today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of September right here. Before we get into the video, if you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And also follow me on Instagram at Nori Loves Beauty. And anyway, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay guys, so this is the bag for this month. It looks like a burgundy corduroy bag. If you didn't know, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus costs $25 a month. And you get 5 full-size makeup and skincare products, and you're promised a value of at least $120, I believe. So this is the second month where Ipsy allowed users to choose 3 out of their 5 products in their bags, and I'll have a picture of what options I had, and then I'll show you what I ended up going with. So the first thing that I got is actually out of the bag because it's too big. They chose this for me, and it is 2 face masks. These are the Star Skin's Close-Up Coconut Biocellulose Second Skin Firming Face Mask in Glow Star. And it's a set. It's a foaming peeling set, I believe. And according to their site, this is worth $17.25. 2 masks, which is fine. I don't mind. But that was an item that they chose. I'm gonna go into the bag. The next item is this Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. And they chose this as well. According to them, this retails for $24.50. I'm fine with it, but I'm not too excited about it because I got an eye cream from them in my July bag. And it was a pretty big size, so I don't need an eye cream, but I guess it's fine. And I opened the bag and this little card was in there. This card just has like beauty tips. It has no information about your order or anything like that. But the theme for September is good vibes, which is cool. Okay, so for my first product, I have the picture of the options that I had. I had the option of picking the Seraphine Botanicals eyeshadow and blush palette, and that's what I picked. This is the packaging. So this is the Sakura and Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette from Seraphine Botanicals. This is the packaging. Really, really pretty packaging. This is the palette. Pretty neutral. So for my first item, I had the option of either getting this palette, the Yensa Silk Bronzing Base and Brush, the Ilamasqua Hydra Veil Primer, the Hello Organic One A Day Sheet Mask Set, or the Smith & Co. nail lacquer in Bite Your Kiss. Those were my options, and I really got into Ipsy and even BoxyCharm for makeup. So I wanted something makeup, so I chose this. I wasn't really interested in the bronzing base and brush and the brush. So I chose this for this reason. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know how it performs, but it looked nice. I have a lot of neutral palettes, but the shimmer looks really, really nice. So I'm excited to try it out. Maybe I'll try it out in a future video, so look out for that. According to them, this palette retails for $42, but I'll be testing that out really soon. For my second item, I chose the Ofra Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Natural. Let me just swipe a little bit. I haven't tried this. Okay. So just the natural gloss. Oh, it feels like it stays there, like it's not sticky. It smells good. So I got it because I knew the brands, honestly. So my options were the Space Case Cosmetics Custom Eyeshadow Palette, Item Beauty Lash Snack in Midnight Mood, Item Beauty Cheek Money Duo in Mood and Vibes, and then the lip gloss. Honestly, I was really attracted to the eyeshadow palette, but I don't need more neutral eyeshadow palettes. I almost went back and put this back, right? And chose the other one, but I know I have all those shimmers. I kind of regret it a little bit, but it just didn't seem so exciting. The options that I did get, I think I've gotten 2 mascaras from them in the last 2 boxes that I've tried, July and August, so I did not need more mascara. The gloss, I know for cosmetics, that's why I chose it. And I didn't need the bronzer. I have a lot of bronzer, so that's why I chose The lip gloss, it's fine, but... And the Ofra Cosmetics lip gloss retails for $15. The next item that I chose is the Wonder Beauty Highline Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Runway. And this retails for $22. That looks really pigmented. So yeah, these are my options that I had for my third product. Looks like there's a SPF moisturizer from Murad, Ciate London mascara, a vitamin E balm, and the eyeliner. So I chose the eyeliner. But those were the options that I had to get. So I chose these, the eyeshadow palette, the lip gloss, and the eyeliner, which is fine. I'm excited to try this out. It looks pretty neutral, the palette, but I'm still really excited. And then they chose for me the 2 masks and the eye cream. So according to my calculations, this bag was worth $120.75. But anyway, this was my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September. I like what I got, to be honest. I have been feeling a little bit disappointed with the choices. Like, I feel like when you get to choose, there's not many options. I love having new palettes and trying out new things, and I'm still really excited to try this out. I would have liked a different lip product. I'm really into, I don't know, maybe something for fall, like a lipstick, you know, something like that. What else? Mask, I don't know. It's fine. I paid $25 for it, so I think in the end I did get the value that I paid for, so it's totally fine. But I'm kind of a little excited, a little nervous, but excited to see what else they can come up with for the next month, which will be in full fall mode, you know what I mean? So I just want to see more color. That's what I'm trying to get at. I want to see more color. Overall, it was an okay bag. I hope next month is a little better. I'll be trying these out in a future video, hopefully, so keep a lookout for that. And anyway, I think that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this part, I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. So let me know in the comments, if you have Ipsy, what was your favorite thing that you got this month? How do you feel about them? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at NoriLovesBeauty. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this, so I know to make more like this. And enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.